Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes C drive full how to free up space in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %temp%. Second method is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar, click disk cleanup. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall unused apps one by one. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, search with Storage Sense. Select Everyday. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.